Picture yourself in the 2019 Nissan Murano. This vehicle still has fewer than 35,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Enjoy a view of this Nissan Murano, the sophisticated midsize crossover that prioritizes comfort and leverages a suite of advanced tech to keep you safe, connected, and entertained. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, engine immobilizer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss out on the upscale features this stylish Murano has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.